Oh, a present. Could it be for me? All right, let me see. It is to me, to Jeff, from Buchacha. Why, thank you, Buchacha. Wonderful wrapping job, I must say. And through the magic of time travel, you will not see my address. Now, all needs a knife, and... That's not a knife. Now that's a knife. Just open this box without opening myself. So be good for goodness sake. Santa Claus is coming to town. Alright. It's a book. Wait, bring that back. Die! Die. Alright. Oh, so therapeutic. Oh. Yeah. Cool. Mightiest of Swords, The Inkwell Trilogy 1, by Aaron Buchanan. All right, let me just read the back here. Mightiest of Swords, The Inkwell Trilogy 1. In a world, living under the facade of modernity, resides ancient gods and practitioners of ancient magic. In Massachusetts, Gray Thoreau is a master of logomancy, the conjuring of magic through written words. Following an impossible theft, Gray uncovers an insidious plot targeting the world's aging population of gods. Along with her allies, new and old, Gray is drawn into the effort to thwart the plan, and in doing so comes face to face with her past, but also a purpose for her future. It does. It really does make a good Christmas gift. Maybe, just maybe, you should give the gift of reading. Aaron Buchanan. That guy sounds familiar. Oh, this is available on Amazon. That's where Buchacha got it for me. Nice of him to send me two. That way me and my wife can both read them at the same time.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, make it so. Make it so. Make it so. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping. And I brought me some tea Earl Grey hot. The lights are turned way down low. Make it so. Make it so. Make it so. When we finally kiss goodnight. How I hate going out in the storm. But if you...
Really?
Shut up, Wesley. All the way home, I'll be...
Warm. Oh, the fire is slowly dying. And my dear...
We're still goodbye, then. But
As long as you love me so, make it so.
make it so. Make it so.